In this part of the training, I will show you how to leverage Chat GPT when building your capture page, writing your headlines, creating your email follow-up series, and also when building your lead magnets. This capture page share code is available for you below this video if you want to import it to your leadsleap account and use it for your own projects. So when you import it to your leadsleap account and open it on the page builder, you will be able to edit and customize every part of this landing page, and you can populate the text here with the Chat GPT answers that you get for your project. All you have to do for that is point the text and then change it on the right hand side here. If it is an image, you can just point it and then click on this field here and upload the image you want to put on the capture page. Now to start using ChatGPT, head to chat.openai.com, and if you're not registered yet, create yourself an account using your Gmail account or your Gmail email address, and then you'll be brought to this page here where you can enter your queries and prompts and questions at the bottom here in this field, and the answers will follow. First, let's create some headlines to populate our capture page. The idea here is to be very specific about what we need from ChatGPT, and in this specific case I put write 5 compelling headlines for a capture page that promotes a training program to become a YouTube influencer and make money from it. So being specific will help ChatGPT understand exactly what we need from him and then bring us answers that are accurate and targeted. Now I just copied that phrase and I'm going to paste it here, submit it, and see what happens. Now I submit it and ChatGPT goes right away to work and starts typing what we asked for. And as you can see, I have now 5 headlines that I can use to populate my capture page. Become a YouTube sensation and earn a fortune. Join our influencer training program today. Ready to make money on YouTube? Our comprehensive training program can help you achieve your dreams. Unlock the secrets of YouTube success. And the other one, get the insider knowledge you need to become a YouTube star and build a thriving career online. From zero to hero, transform your YouTube channel into a lucrative business with our expert training program. So here you pick the right headlines you want to use and then just copy the text and paste it into the leadsleap page builder. And this is exactly how I got these headlines here put on this capture page. And now we are going to use ChatGPT to generate follow-up emails. For this YouTube influencer offer, I wanted to create a set of 7 emails to send out to my future subscribers day after day for 7 days to send them back to the thank you page where they can download the lead magnet and also check the YouTube influencer affiliate offer. So my request to ChatGPT will be write 7 short follow-up emails about the importance of using the right tools and training to become an effective YouTube influencer. Let's go back to ChatGPT and paste the query here and then press enter to submit it. And as you can see, it starts to generate the emails. So email number 1, it gives you the subject line and then the body of the email, and you can see the subject line for the second email says don't let a lack of training hold you back, and then on the third, the tools and training you need for YouTube success. Our program can help you stand out from the crowd. And they are very well formatted. They are short because I asked to have short emails. People, they don't like reading long emails, so this is why we put the word short there. Number 6, the power of a community in YouTube success. As you can see, the emails are short. People don't like reading long emails. This is why we wanted to keep them short. And the goal here is to send them back to the thank you page. The emails are well formatted. Of course, we need to read through them and make changes if necessary, and also link back to the thank you page properly. Now we are going to create a lead magnet using Chat GPT, and for this step I wanted to create a checklist. Most people like checklists. It gives them precisely what they need to do. So we generate the checklist, we format it and deliver it as PDF. And this time we will put write a 10-part checklist to become a successful YouTube influencer in less than 3 months. So I'm giving some specifications. I'm putting myself actually in the shoes of someone who wants to be a successful YouTube influencer in less than 3 months, and I'm going to ask Chat GPT to give me a 10-part checklist for this. So let's go back to ChatGPT and paste our query and press the button and let ChatGPT write the checklist for us. So as you can see, it says here is a 10-part checklist to become a successful YouTube influencer in less than 3 months. Choose your niche and then research your competition, create content plan, optimize your channel, invest in equipment, collaborate with other creators, etc., etc. So we have our 10-part checklist now. Now, if we want to make it a little bit longer and richer, we will say, for example, can you expand on this? And then I will just click the button. And then it says yeah, sure, here's more detailed explanation of each step, and then it will go further explaining each step. And what we want to do later is to take all this checklist here and then copy it in Canva or Google Docs and then generate a PDF from there. Maybe you need some help putting an introduction and a conclusion. What you can do is that you can ask ChatGPT to turn it into an ebook. So let me say, can you turn it into an ebook? Enter. Okay, he says here that as an AI language model that he cannot do really ebook, but he can suggest something. And here we have the introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. The checklist is becoming now is turned into a small report or small ebook, and all you have to do after this is take this content, read through it, make changes if you'd like to or if it's necessary, and then just paste it to Google Docs or to Canva and then just generate a PDF document from there. Now that you have your content coming from ChatGPT, you can head to Canva and format that content and put it as a PDF, ebook or report. So you come here to canva.com and search for ebook, for example. So search ebook. And then you will see many templates that you can use. Some of them are only for pro members, but lots of them are for free members as well. So you choose the template that you like, and then I will search something that has the red color on it because of YouTube. So let's try to find one of those. I just added the word red to the search. I put ebook and red and I got some templates, and this one seems to be okay for our example. So you just click customize this template here and then you start putting your content on the pages here, and when you are done you click share and then you choose download as PDF. Once you get your PDF, you want to attach it to the thank you page of the previous funnel we set up together. Remember, in the first part of this training, we set up the funnel to actually promote the Chris offer here, which is a training to become a YouTube influencer. Now we want to replace this graphic here for the ebook, for the previous ebook, put a new graphic for the checklist, attach the link to the checklist with this button here, and please don't forget to put your affiliate link here for the offer so that you can make 50% commission on all the sales.